Well, that is what we'll be discussing on the News Hour tonight. So tune in at 9 p.m., ladies and gentlemen. In the meantime, what we're going to talk about is also another event that we are on the lookout for. And the stage which is now set at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad as India takes on South Africa this evening at the T20 World Cup. Now, after progressing from the group stage, India will now take on the 2024 runner-ups in their first game in the Super 8 stage. Remember, this also happens to be a repeat of the 2024 T20 World Cup final, where South Africa gave a close fight to India but ultimately lost. India, however, remains unbeaten in the tournament so far, and they have to head into this clash, even as the team has now maintained a 100% winning rate so far. The team would hope for some improved performances, at least from their batters, including the opening batsman, Abhishek Sharma, who's yet to score any runs, when it comes to the games in the tournament. However, Sky or Suryakumar Yadav and the management remain confident that Abhishek Sharma is in some for big performances over the course of the tournament. And this excitement is at the peak when Men in Blue take on the Proteas at the Narendra Modi Stadium. Let's get you a ground report. Karishma has been following the match updates.
हम हैं इस वक्त नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम के ठीक बाहर, जहां पर इंडिया वर्सेस साउथ अफ्रीका का मुकाबला होने जा रहा है और फैंस यहां पर ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं। इंडिया जर्सीज आपको दिख रही होंगी, एक्साइटमेंट शायद आपको ऑलरेडी इनसे बात करने की भी कोशिश की जाएगी, जितने ये लोग एक्साइटेड हैं इस वक्त। क्या लगता है आज के मैच के बारे में, क्या होने वाला है? इजी जीत रहेगी या मुश्किल जीत रहेगी?
नहीं, वो रहेगा तब रहेगा, पर इंडिया जीतेगा। फाइनली इंडिया जीतेगा, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है। इंडिया जीतेगा ही जीतेगा।
और एक्स फैक्टर कौन लगता है इन टीम इंडिया का है?
अभिषेक शर्मा, हार्दिक पांड्या और टेक्निकल
हार्दिक पांड्या।
और आज जो है ना टफ मैच होने वाला है, नो डाउट इन दैट। उनकी टीम भी बहुत अच्छे से खेलते आ रही है।
अभिषेक शर्मा सेंचुरी मारने वाला है।
पर 3 डक्स उनके पहले आ चुके हैं, चिंता का विषय है?
नहीं, इस मैच में कमबैक करेंगे वो।
कमबैक करेंगे?
हाँ, हम सब सपोर्ट करने वाले हैं।
अभिषेक शर्मा का है
आज दिन, अभिषेक शर्मा का है। तो अभिषेक शर्मा के लिए जो है वो बहुत सारी दुआएं हैं यहाँ पर नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम के बाहर, और उम्मीद यही की जा रही है कि वो जो है अच्छे से अपने रन आज स्कोर करे और सेंचुरी बनाए। सेंचुरी बनाएंगे अभिषेक शर्मा। यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी डिमांड दोनों आ चुकी है। विजय संकेत के साथ अहमदाबाद। The excitement is building up to India's first Super 8 clash versus South Africa. The Indian jerseys are here. The people are here with flags on their faces, and of course it is going to be a very exciting encounter because at stake is the semi-final berth. But let's talk to people over here. What do you think about today's match? What is your expectation? क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
फुल एक्साइटमेंट है।
आप क्या कहेंगे? फेवरेट प्लेयर कौन है सर? आप तो एकदम तैयार हो गया है, मुझे 10 दिख रहा है, पर 10 नंबर तो
सचिन तेंदुलकर का है। अब मैं सचिन तेंदुलकर का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, उनको मिस करता हूँ। और 26 में वो ब्रायना बेस्टर रहे वर्ल्ड कप महिला के लिए। अब रोहित शर्मा है, तो उम्मीद कर।
क्या लग रहा है क्या होगा?
अभिषेक शर्मा के 50 या 100 मील देखने को मिले। ये
3 डक से आज वो खत्म हो जाएंगे
डेफिनेटली, आज से तक हो जाएगा।
किसके मॉम का बर्थडे है? हैप्पी बर्थडे टू योर मदर फर्स्ट. What would you want to say? What do you think about the match today? Do you think it's going to be easy or difficult for the Indian team?
South Africa is going to be a tough opponent. It is not going to be an easy match. But I guess Abhishek Sharma, the ducks that he is due, he is going to score a century and we are going to win this match.
आज हार्दिक पांड्या और अपना सूर्य कुमार यादव आगे बैटिंग अच्छी होगी। हार्दिक पांड्या की बैटिंग और बॉलिंग देखने आए, हम सब पुणे से आए हैं।
टीम इंडिया के लिए चीयर कैसे करेंगे, सेलिब्रेट कैसे करेंगे जब छक्के लग रहे होंगे, या जब कोई विकेट आएगा, जसप्रीत बुमराह लेगा, तो सेलिब्रेट कैसे करेंगे?
एकदम चिल्ला चिल्ला के
दिल खोल के करेंगे,
खोल के करेंगे।
दिखाइए ना थोड़ा।
इंडिया इंडिया इंडिया
Inside there is going to be in plus of 90,000 fans that are going to be cheering for Team India.
Well, there you see at the Narendra Modi Stadium, the excitement is building. So in a short while from now, the toss will be also happening. So we'll be learning exactly the course that the game takes. But what we are learning that the CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai, is also expected to attend this high-profile clash between India and South Africa at the Narendra Modi Stadium. Well, Karishma, South Africa locking horns in what promises to be a thriller there. A lot of excitement there, and Sundar Pichai is said to be amongst those who is said to be attending today's match.
Well, yes, absolutely. That is what we can understand, that it could be very, very likely attend this match versus South Africa. He has been in India for the AI summit as well. That is what we are given to understand, that he could probably be seen here at the Narendra Modi Stadium attending the India versus South Africa match.
Absolutely there, because what is being said that the two teams will be playing for the 6th time in the last 2 months, and it remains to be seen which side the familiarity works better. But Karishma, India has not been, asking those probing questions at the group league stage at least, but they continue to remain the home favourites, and they are aware that their batting side has lot left to be desired.
Well, yes, absolutely. Suryakumar Yadav in the pre-match conference also talking about how the batting unit needs to come together. We have seen how if Abhishek Sharma is failing at the top, then you have Ishan Kishan or a Suryakumar Yadav chipping in with important runs with Hardik Pandya and Akshar Patel. So obviously a lot of potential in this batting lineup, where India, if batting first, can go 200 plus, 220 plus scores as well. But that is what we haven't seen, and Suryakumar Yadav saying that the expectation from this team is a lot, and we understand that, but we also have to play
on the Proteas, the speedsters, and their tussle with the defending champions top order, and the home spinners will have to now rein in when it comes to their rival batters are concerned. So the toss will happen in some time from now. We'll keep our viewers updated. Karishma, thank you very much for joining in. Another big break.